My name is Vladimir Šumec and I work for company Valcovina Profilov for about 15 years, now at a position on the technical department. Our company was established in the year 1998 with one goal: to be a toll processor for mills that are in our region. From that time, we processed about 2.5 million tons of coils. From the beginning, on slitting lines. Later, we understood that we need some new product, and we start to looking for cut-to-length line, a cut-to-length line that will give us some advantage, and we understood that we need stretch leveler technology. Redwatt Industries was one of the companies that we asked for. With the cooperation with US Steel, we sent some coils into their reference line in Belgium. After processing, this material came back and we test the quality, and we thought and understood that this is the technology we need. After that, US Steel gave us a list of intention that we were sure that with this line we will have enough work. Now we produce about 12,000 tons of mainly stretch-leveled material on this line, and our customers want more and more. We and our customers understood that stretch leveler is able to produce material that stays flat also after subsequent processing. Imagine US Steel, as one of our main customers, established brand SharpCut for laser cutting steel that could be produced only with stretch leveling technology. Our line is also equipped with an inspection area where we are able to control not just the top but also bottom of the sheet, and we can guarantee the highest quality demands that our customers have. One of the main advantages that Redwatt Industries give us is 24/7 technical assistance that is on a very high level that other companies in this business don't give us. Based on our experience, now we decided to look for another cut-to-length line, of course equipped with stretch level technology, and I'm sure that Redwatt Industries will be one of the best suppliers of such equipment. In Redwatt Industries we found a partner that is on a peak of sheet metal equipment producers, and I encourage all the clients that trust him, they know what they do. We found an equipment partner that offered high-quality equipment with world-class technology that could also meet the high productivity demands of our customers. We found it with the Redwatt Industries. The equipment has exceeded our expectations.